Line them up by height here.
Yeah.
Okay, right now we've got the
Top 4.
4th place. Zaylee.
Yay!
3rd place. Haven. Get the bronze, my friend. Yeah. 2nd place. Katie.
Yay! Got the silver, baby.
You got silver. And the gold medal.
And the gold medal
The
goes
Cody Bowes list. Yay! And the honorary gold. What's the honorary gold? Where is it? Wait, who? Oh, wait, Katie. Oh, you gotta trade me, Katie. Sorry, Katie. Trade me. Tyler! Where's Tyler? Come get your gold! You got gold medal! Woohoo! Yay!
It's a hat. If I go like this.
Everybody hold your medal and get a picture.
If I go like this.
Come over in the picture.
If I come get a picture.
Sorry,
Yeah.
Like this.
Alright, scoot over.
Scoot over.
Yeah, everybody's gotta get together. It's our medalists.
Yay!
Daddy, I'm gonna
Rick, get in.
Daddy, how can I go?
You're a little star, dude.
Smile, kid.
Can I hold it?
Smile. Abby,
You,
smile.
Abby. Smile. I want to see some. Let me see that pearly yellow.
Pickles.
I'm gonna stand here until I get a smile.
Come on, smile, Roar. Put it down. Come on.
She ain't gonna give it to me, is she?
Thank you guys. Thanks for playing. Thanks for playing. Till next year.
It's not real cold.
No, it's
You have
not.
to have the Winter Olympics.
Don't try and hock it. You won't get none.
Ice skating. And
There you go.
Hey, we got our little ice skater.
Yeah, we know who'll win that one.
An adult Olympics.
That'd be fun.
what, Power Hour, Barbie?
Who can finish their BER before they hit the water? Right, Barb?
Delaney, you did awesome.
Finish their BER before they hit the water. Yeah.
We have a lot of fun rooms like that.
It would be a good,
Can I get this?
huh?
What place is it?